Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to our Smart Investor channel. So today we're going to look at NIO. They just released, actually this morning at 5 a.m., an update on their deliveries for the month of November. So great news ahead. I'm going to let you know as well what I think is going to happen today and the rest of the week and what's going to be my match plan in terms of NIO. So before we go into depth in that, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to not miss any of the future videos I will be doing. All right, so let's get down to it. All right, so let's take a closer look here at the results for the month of November. So great news, guys. NIO did deliver 5,291 vehicles in November 1st. That's an increase of 109.3% year over year. And NIO delivered year to date 36,771 vehicles. So that's pretty amazing. That's an 111 year over year increase. Cumulative deliveries for the models of ES8 and ES6 as well as EC6 as of November 30th, so that was yesterday, reached 68,634. So that's really relevant. That's really compelling. Great news for NIO. Last month they did slightly below the 5,200. It's good. We see growth. It wasn't a significant increase from last month as compared to, let's say, XPeng, who actually did pretty amazing job in their deliveries, which I'll speak on the next video for XPeng. So listen, what captures here my attention as well in terms of NIO is NIO's in the process of accelerating the production capacity expansion in December 2020 to accommodate the increasing order growth. So this is really good, and especially given that NIO's day is in January, early January, there's going to be momentum for sure going towards 2021. As far as today's concerned, so if we look at the market right now, it's before market, it's green. It's plus 2.77%. As you know, yesterday it closed at minus 6.43%. So it's looking green today with the news that I gave you today in terms of deliveries. XPeng, I just read their deliveries. It's looking pretty strong as well for November. I think there may be a momentum today where we're going to see some green. We're going to see also, I think, volatility because of everything that is going on right now from a politics standpoint, but from an economic standpoint as well. There's, as you know, there's going to be some voting going on tomorrow for several things, such as cannabis and the Chinese companies. Are they going to be banned or not? So that's going to play a lot into this, right? Because NIO is a Chinese company, so that is a risk for any shareholder. Although, you know, if they are to vote this as Chinese would be banned, then that would only take effect, right, in a few years. So there is an uncertainty, but I think this is going to be clarified pretty quickly. And like I said, if you believe in NIO, as far as I'm concerned, I will continue to be a long-term investor. You know, of course, if they do get banned down the road, I might rethink this. But in the short term and midterm, I don't see any impacts here, except to have dips into the purchases that I'll be doing. So the rest of the week, how do I think this is going to play out? So I think NIO will definitely see some green, but definitely might see some red days because of the Chinese ban that might be voted tomorrow. So I think that might be a stress factor on the price of NIO. But as we move towards the end of the year, I think this is going to start to boost as we get near to also NIO Day, right? So my match plan is just to keep going here on dips. I think yesterday, for those who weren't invested into NIO, I think yesterday would have been a first purchase point because it went below $50, which is really great. Though as far as I'm concerned, I'm already an investor. I'm at an average much lower than that, so I'm looking more for the 48 and below, closer to 45, 44, to make a further investment into NIO. So that's what I'm going to be looking for this week. I'm hoping for that. But given the great results today from NIO, I suspect that we might see some green today. So listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace out. Big,